Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra,Olivia, and today I am back with another video. I decided to order a wig from a distributor I've been in contact with for a while now, about a year, and I decided to order some blonde wigs because I want to give you guys some more color wigs, DIY hair color wigs that you can do at home. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. As always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're wondering why I have these shades on inside my house, it's because my girlfriend Chantel, she actually sent me these shades. She sent me several shades actually. I purchased them from her, so I'm not going to say sent, but I did receive them in the mail. They are super cute. So my look today was actually inspired by these pink shades right here. I wanted to do a look to match these just to help promote her and shout her brand out. So shout out to you, girl. These glasses are super freaking bomb. I've been getting compliments all day on Instagram and everybody thinks they look bomb. So I'm gonna link everything down below. She doesn't have a website currently, but that's okay because she does all of her sales through her Instagram page. So yeah, just give her a shout out, show her some love. If you like the shades, you know, go support my girlfriend, and yeah, tell her that Cassandra sent you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so I have Olivia here helping me today, and what you guys are going to need is a wig, of course, some gloves, so we're just throwing those on. And we did go ahead and use the Adore Cotton Candy shade, but I'll be sure to link everything down in the description box below. So me being super lazy, I decided to just use the super hot water from my sink or the drain in the bathtub, but I realized after I did this it was not hot enough for the hair to saturate, but I'm still going to keep this in here anyway just so you guys can see what I did. So I just put some shimmering light shampoo, and I put about, I think, 7 or 8 squirts in here, and I'm just using my hands to make sure that it's fully fully spread out throughout the water, so that way there's no clumps on the hair or no purple spots, because if you don't mix it properly you will have purple chunks all in your wig. So I'm just dapping my wig in here, and basically I'm just doing this because I want to get rid of all the yellow tones, and the purple's going to help to do that. So it's going to cancel out the yellow, so that way it's going to pull super pink when I decide to put the neon in. And I just did this for about maybe 2 minutes, but I just kept pressing it, making sure that all of the shampoo was absorbed into the hair. And then I did let this sit for about 5 minutes, and I just eyeballed it to make sure it didn't pull too purple. And then I let it dry for a couple seconds, and we're gonna just go back in, but we're gonna go in with some hot water. So here I messed up trying to edit, and I don't know how to fix it, so just disregard. But I was basically just trying to show the difference between how yellow it was when we started and how it looks now. But you guys can clearly see the difference. If not, just see the first part of this video. Okay, so this is actually the part I was talking about in the beginning about the water not being hot enough. So this is just as hot as my sink would make the water, but it still wasn't hot enough for the hair to saturate. So you're just gonna see me soak it here. It did come out a super soft pink, which would have been super cute, but it just wasn't even throughout. So it was soft pink on the top and it was still like blonde in the back. And I'll show you guys and I'll separate it, but yeah. This was the first step, but then after this, I'm gonna go in with some hot boiling water and just do the same thing just to make sure that the hair grips onto that color. So this is second attempt, but you can see how the wig looks like that dusty rose pink, but I'm not feeling it. So this is just round 2. That's what's up, boy. So now the wig is done, and I did let it sit for about 5 minutes in this also, and then I just kept an eye on it. And now I'm just using my mannequin head. I'm going to tag this down below in the stand. Also this little Conair dryer that my mama's had since I was a little girl, so this dryer is probably like almost 30 years old, but they still make them. So I'm just combing the hair, making sure that it's not tangled because I want it to dry in a nice shape. And I did go in and pluck the hairline, but it's kind of hard to see because this hair is so light and the lace is super light. So I'm gonna keep this in here just so you can kind of see the pattern that I went in, but I'm super sorry, but this hair is super light, so there's nothing I can really do. And please excuse my one nail, guys. I have just started to get back into nails because everybody can't go to the nail salon, so I practice on my pinky. So yeah, that's why I have that random ass long nail, but I did take this off after, I think at the end of the video. So that's how much hair I took out, and I'm just sitting this under the dryer for about, I think I sat it under there for about 2 hours. and now she's dry. So I'm just gonna pop on this cap. And your girl is trying some glue today. You guys know I don't like to use glue, but I wanted to support this girl I've been following for a while. Her name is Hair by Erica J on YouTube. So I got me some glue and some glue remover. And I did make sure that I used alcohol on my forehead off camera just to make sure the surface of my hair was clean. And this is how the inside of the wig looks like. This was like a little cheapy wig that this distributor that I was talking to for a while, they said that they were going on sale. It's not like the best quality wig, but your girl was gonna finesse. So because I wanted to do something bold, I wasn't too super worried about it, but I just made sure to kind of bring it in with the baby hair. So now I'm just going in and cutting the lace, and I'm making sure that everything is covering my hairline and my black hair. So now I'm just going in with my foundation, and I'll link it down below, but it's just from Makeup Forever. And I'm applying foundation to the lace because it is transparent, so it's white and it's giving me like a white cast on my skin. So I applied it like that just because if I folded it over on top, there would be makeup all over the lace. So I actually should have put it on before, but I completely got sidetracked, so I just did it that way. So now I'm just applying a layer of the Erica J glue, and I'm just spreading it super thin. I'm gonna do this about 2 or 3 times, and then I'm gonna wait for it to start to dry clear, and then I'm just gonna tack the wig down. So now I'm just tying the wig down because I'm getting ready to do my makeup. So this is a full like start to finish like hair tutorial, makeup tutorial. So I completely understand if you want to skip. I decided just to give you guys a little bit more variety on my channel. So I'm just going in with the P. Louise base in the shade 0.5. And I'm just applying that all over my lid. And I'm also going in with the Huda Beauty Neon palette. I'm just applying that neon shade. And I'm just going to blend it out with a brush that has no product on it, just to create a soft, diffused look. And now I'm just going in with that lighter pink shade on a different blending brush and just using that to blend out the color even further to create like a gradient effect. I started off with this pink shade, but I wasn't feeling how it was sticking to the look, so I actually just decided to use some NYX glitter glue. I'm just going to apply the glitter glue on my hand and apply it all over my lid. And I'm going to put in that shimmery shade on top just to make the pink look pop even more. I'm going for like a Barbie / Bratz vibe, and I hope I accomplish that. So my girlfriend, High Profile Hair, she sent me some lashes, and she was super generous. I told her I was gonna pay her for these, but she sent them anyways. I'm gonna beat you up, girl, but she sent me these awesome bomb-ass lashes, and I just love the packaging. I like the neon holographic look that it's giving me, and I'm just putting it on the lashes in the style 31, and these lashes were so bomb. I like the fact that she gave me variety, so I'm gonna link her information down below as well. And yeah, I wear her lashes all the time in most of my makeup looks, so yeah. I'm going in now with my Makeup Forever foundation. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my face and start to basically bring this look together. So I blended that out, and now I'm just going in with the Beauty Blender to make sure everything's nice and smooth. And I'm gonna highlight and contour with the Juvias Place highlight and concealers. So I'm gonna tag that below because I cannot remember the name and the number off the top of my head. But I'm just going in and making sure everything's blended. I put on some Sacha buttercup powder, but I did that off camera. And now I'm just blending in the face with some BH Cosmetics contour and applying my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And I did put on the Juvia's Place highlighter as well. And for the lip, I'm just using Chestnut by MAC, if I can speak. Chestnut by MAC and Chi by ColourPop. So last step, I'm just putting it apart, and I'm just gonna bring this look together. The lace is a tad bit thick, but I expected that because this is like a super discounted wig. I think they were just gonna get rid of it out of the inventory, to be completely honest. So I'm just gonna style this and finesse with the baby hairs, but I just wanna make sure everything is straight. So I'm going in with my hot comb, and then I'm just gonna go in afterwards and just mold this with the foam spray. I'm using the Jane Carter Wrap and Roll just to make sure everything is smooth. And I did start to do the baby hairs, but I didn't realize my camera died, and I was just in the zone. So I'm just showing you like the end result of me combing them out after I had molded and put them under my scarf for about 10 minutes. And this is pretty much the final look. Let me know if you guys like this look. I'm just going to straighten it a little bit more so this hair can flow. And this is it. Let me know if you like the pink hair and if you like this style video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and happy Mother's Day to all my mothers out there. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.
That's what smoke, boy.